Baby, since this Valentine Day came and passed, you have been coughing seriously. What happened? I never imagined a day will come where you kept on suspecting me. I'm coughing doesn't mean I got pregnant. I'm not feeling fine, that's why. But baby, all the time you kept on suspecting me. Do you think I have another love apart from you? In fact, if things will continue like this, I'm fed up. I'm tired of this your attitude. The last time you said you caught me at Feli's Lounge restaurant, that I went with a guy, whereas you didn't meet me with anybody. Last night again, you told me, where am I? I told you I went to school to fill my cafeterias, but you said still it wasn't true.